Pero nakita ko na saan. Nagsiyang pa na kung gusto yung kalsada, hindi pa nakita. Hello, good evening. My name is Ramayan. Okay? Or you can call me Chupay in short.
Chupay.
Okay, ma'am, first time ninyo o first time nyo? Okay. So, okay naman kahit first time, pag hirap lang kayo, kunyari sa poses or asanan, pwede namang i-modify. Okay? Hindi naman, ang kinakailangan lang parating komportable kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. Okay? Parang kunyari, let's say, sa yoga, usually, ganito. Okay? This is the half lotus, pwede naman dalawa. Ngayon, pag hindi ka komportable, pwede naman kayo gawin. Okay lang. Ang importante, komportable ka. Okay? Now, flat back. Arms on the top of the knees. Some yogis do this. But in my case, I would prefer this open palm. It means you're welcome. Come to me. Okay, now. Now close your eyes. Relax your shoulders, your arms, and the neck. Have to breathe into the nose and out to the nose. Now concentrate and listen. Once again, listen to all the noises. Lahat ng ingay na maririnig ninyo sa labas ng building na ito. Siyempre, yung mga vehicle, kotse, jeepney, ingay ng kanilang makina, lalo na yung mga tricycle. Now this time, kalimutan muna natin yung ingay sa labas. Dito lang tayo sa pwesto natin sa building, sa loob ng building nito. Yung lang ingay na yun ang dapat yung pakinggan. Concentrate and listen. Of course, you can hear the music, the soft music of yoga. It is a soft music but still a noise. Yung ingay ng hangin na galing sa electric fan. And some people are talking. And at this time, ignore all the noises. Kalimutan nyo lahat ng ingay and then focus. You need to focus on a little candle. A little candle with light. Now breathe into the nose and out of the nose. Again, breathe in and breathe out. One more breathe in. And breathe out. Now this time, slowly open your eyes. Now this time, lift your both arms open and then up to the sky. Now palm together, lift up the mind and then bring it out in front of your heart. Now breathe into the nose and out to the nose. Okay, again open and then lift up to the sky. Palm together, bring it down in front of your heart as you breathe into the nose and out to the nose. And then open. And now this time, put your left hand beside your hip. And then lift your right hand to the side, breathe in, and breathe out now. Other side, kabila. So, breathe in and breathe out. And now this time, lift both arms all the way up and then all the way down. And then release. Again on the top of the knees, now breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. And now this time, please stand up like okay, now keep hips width apart. Slightly bend the knees, flat back. Now this time, lift your both arms all the way up. Now palm together. Lean back and look up. Breathe in, breathe out. Now bring it down in front of your heart. Now, bring it to the nose and out. And then bend forward. Bend from your hips touching the floor. And then all the way up. Bone by bone. Oh, once again, lift it up. Bring back, look up. Now bring it down in front of your heart. And then bend forward. Bend from your hips touching the floor. Halfway. Now this time, half hold. Flat back, you can touch your shin. Shin, okay. Flat back. Kailangan flat back. And now from here, again, fold, touching the floor. And then all the way up. Breathe into the nose. And out the nose. Now again, lift up to the sky. Lean back in your chest. Bring it down in front of your heart. And then bend forward. Bend from your hips touching the floor. Now bend your knees. Now step back, right and left. Now forward to plank. Ayan. Parang kayo, push up. So you can drop your knees and then drop the whole body. Okay? Now from here, now lift the upper body halfway, nakabend lang ang elbows. Now from here, look to your left, breathe in, breathe out center, and go down. Again, lift halfway to the right, now center, and then down. Again, lift up. Now to the left, now center, and then down. Then lift after that. To the right, now center, and then down. Once again, lift. To the left, now center, and then down. Now again, to the right, now center, and then down. And lift, and then step forward, right and to the left, and then all the way up, dahan-dahan, slow. Now this time, lift up, come together, lean back and look up. Bring it down in front of your heart. Now breathe in and breathe out, and then bend forward. Again, bend your knees, step back right and to the left. Forward to plank, to the left. You can drop your knees or you can drop the whole body in one. Now this time, rearrange. Now put your both hands aligned with your ribcage. And then lift the upper body. Okay, abdomen na. Diretso na. Taas na. Okay, yan. So from here, now again, we look to the left, breathe in, breathe out center, so go down. To the right, breathe in, now center, and again to the left, breathe out center, again right, center, and then the left, breathe in, breathe out center. Now to your right, breathe in, breathe out center, and then we go down. And now this time, put your hands beside your hips. palm up. Breathe in and breathe out. And on this time, bend your knees. Bend your knees. Ganyan. And then try to hold your feet. Hawakan niyo yung paa. Hawak. Hawak. Ganyan. Hawak. Now breathe in. And then breathe out. After you have correct. Breathe in. And breathe out. Once again, breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, diretso yung kamay ninyo. Hawak-hawak yung dalawang paa. Now this time, pull your feet so you can lift the knees and the shoulders. Okay, ganyan. Yeah, that's it. Okay, ganyan, ganyan. Okay, ganyan. Okay, pull para makataas yung shoulders and the feet. Okay, yes. Now breathe into the nose and breathe out to the nose. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. And then release. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Bitaw. Okay, bitawan ng dalawang paa. Both hands beside your hips. Now breathe into the nose. And then breathe out. Once again, breathe in. And breathe out. And now this time, put your both hands aligned with your chest. And then lift up, step forward, and then all the way up. Now breathe in and breathe out. Once again, lift up to the sky. And then lean back and look up. Bring it out in front of your heart. Now breathe in. And breathe out to the side. Once again, up to the sky. Lean back and look up. Now this time, swan dive. Swan dive. Open. And then all the way down. Touching the floor. And then all the way up. Dahan-dahan pa rin. Once again, lift it up. Lean back, look up, and then swan dive. And then all the way up. Once again, lift it up. Lean back and look up. Again, swan dive. And then all the way up. Now this time, just lift the right hand to the side. And release the other side. And release. Now this time, lift up. Better. Bring it down in front of your heart. Now breathe in. And breathe out. Now bend forward. Bend from your hips touching the floor. Step back right and then the left. Now this time drop your knees. Encore position or the tabletop. Now this is encore or tabletop. Okay. Now from here. Now extend your right arm. Right arm extend. And then under. Now this is the threading the eye of the needle. Okay? Now from here and then taas yung kanan at kaliwang kamay. Taas. Now taas. Yeah, that's it. Taas. Now breathe into the nose and then breathe out. Again, breathe in to the nose and then breathe out. Now this time, bend your left elbow and at the back. Good. Okay? And at the back. Breathe in and then breathe out. Now this time, try to look up into the ceiling. Anyone? Ano lang kaya? Ano lang yung kayang okay, that's it. Now breathe into the nose and then breathe out. Concentrate. Breathe in and then breathe out. Now this time slowly lend your ear. Dahan-dahan yung ire-diretso yung inyong kaliwang paa nakalapat pa rin sa floor. Okay. The right leg, diretso. Left pala. Left leg, diretso. Yes, diretso. Yes, that's it. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Now look up into the sky. And then dahan-dahan yung inilipin yung paa. Taas yung paa. Okay. Okay, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Now breathe into the nose while looking up into the sky. Now breathe in. And then breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. And then down. Down. Okay, bend na uli yung knee. Balik sa dati. Itaas yung kamay na nasa likod. Put it down. And then tanggalin na yung kamay sa ilalim. Back on core position. Okay, now this time, let's do the other side. Extend your left arm and then under. And then lift your right arm up into the sky. While breathing into the nose and out of the nose, bend your right elbow and at the back. And at the back. Now breathe in, look up into the sky. Tingin pa rin sa ceiling. Tingin ng konti, lingon ng konti para makita niyo yung ceiling. Now breathe in and then breathe out. And now this time, dahan-dahan niyo ulit straight yung inyong kanang paa. Dahan-dahan niyo straight yung inyong kanang paa habang nasa likod yung inyong kamay. And then tingin sa taas. And then dahan-dahan niyo ililift yung inyong paa. Now breathe into the nose. And then breathe out. Again, breathe in. And then breathe out. Again, breathe in. And then breathe out. Balik lang ulit. Now breathe in. And then put it down. So, paano yung paa? Bend your knees. Taas yung kamay. Tanggalin yung baba yung kamay. Then tanggalin na yung kamay sa ilalim. Remove. On core position. Okay. Now breathe into the nose and out of the nose. And now this time, extend your left leg. And then the right arm. Now breathe in and breathe out. And then down in your leg and the arm. And then release to the side. Now breathe into the nose and then breathe out. And now this time, the bicep and the ear should touch. Inhale, bicep. Yeah. And then dahan-dahan yung ear, back. Back. Yes, breathe into the nose. And then breathe out. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. And then ibaba na yung paa. Taas yung kamay. And then baba ulit. Back on core position. Okay, now this time, now the right leg at the back. Right leg naman and the left arm. Ang nakataas. Okay, now breathe in. Yes. Breathe out. Direction yung paa. Align with your spine. So breathe in. And then breathe out. Then breathe in. And then breathe out. And then baba na yung paa. And then baba na rin yung kamay. Now twist. Ito tayo. Now breathe into the nose. And out with the nose. And now breathe in. And then breathe out. One more breathe in. And breathe out. Now breathe in. And then breathe out. Another sign, the bicep and the ear should touch. Patingin leg. Diretso. And then slowly lift your leg. Taas. Yes. Then balance pa rin. Yan. That's it. Now breathe in. And then breathe out. One more breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now put down your leg. Taas yung kamay. Put it down. And then back on core position. Now breathe in and breathe out. Now this time we do the cat and cow stretch. We do the cat and the cow. Again the cat and the cow. Again the cat and the cow. And now flat. Now we do the child pose. Child. Breathe into the nose and out to the nose. Now breathe in and breathe out. One more breathe in and out. And then release. Back on core position. Now we lift and then step forward. Right and then to the left. And then go to the up. Paano patay yung ilog?
Coach, pag pinatay natin, patay na lahat.
Okay lang ba? Hindi ba pwede kayo lang? Yung coach na lang ang patayin natin. Okay na? Relax. Okay? Relax. Now this time, lift the both arms all the way up. Palm together. Now bring it down in front of your heart. And then bend forward. Bend your knees. Now step up. Left and right. Now this time, this is the downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Okay, that's it. Yes. That's it. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. And now this time, lift your right leg up into the sky. Kanang paa, taas. Kanang paa lang. Kanang paa. Sige, taas. Hanggang kaya. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in. Breathe out. Now this time, bring your right foot in front, in between your both hands. Pag hindi umabot, i-adjust lang. Sige. And then yung kaliwa. Together. And then all the way up. Dahan-dahan. Up, up, up. Sige, up, up. Okay, got it. Now breathe in. And then breathe out. Once again, lift it up. Lift it up. Look up. Bring it down in front of your heart. And then bend forward. Again, step back left and right. Downward facing dog. Now breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And now this time, lift your left leg up into the sky. Left leg taas as high as you can. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now bring your left foot in front, in between your both hands. Yeah. And then the right. And then all the way up. Once again, lift up to the sky. Palm together, bring it down in front of your heart. And then bend forward. Or bend your knees. Step back left and right. Downward facing dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Now lift your right leg up to the sky. Actually, yung kanang paa. Now breathe in and out. Now bring your right foot in front, in between your both hands. Pag hindi umabot, i-adjust dahan-dahan. Sige, dahan-dahan. Nasa pagkita na, and then we walk by our hand, moving left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Adjust na lang yung dalawang paa, nakapuro dito sa left side niyo. Now from here, we move again. Forward walk, hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then press again the shoulders. This is the downward facing dog with an open leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out, and then we walk back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this time, put your both hands on your hips or waistline. And then lift the upper body slowly, breathing into the nose and out to the nose. Now breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Now this time, i-adjust yung paa. Nakatulog na ngayon dito sa harapan. And then naka-slice yung 45 degrees, 90. Hip square, diretso. The hip fronting the mirror. Now arms on your side. Now breathe in and breathe out. Now lift up to the sky. Come together. Bring it down in front. Now open the arms all the way to the back. Now breathe in. Look back. Look in front. Calm down. And then lean forward. Now breathe in to the nose. And out to the nose. Bend your elbow. And at the back. Palm up. Reverse warrior. Breathe in to the nose and then breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe in and breathe out. Now this time back to warrior 2. Balik sa warrior 2. This is warrior 2. Now breathe in, breathe out, and then straight your front knee. Now we do the triangle. Go down, touching the floor with the straight legs and then hands up into the sky. Or you can touch your shin instead. Okay, breathe into the nose and then breathe out. Now try to look back into the sky. Tingin sa ceiling ulit. Yeah. Breathe in and then breathe out. Again, breathe in. And then breathe out. And on this time, bend your knee. Right knee. And then elbow on the top of the knee. Right elbow. Makikidikit ulit yung biceps and ear. Yes. 1, recline. Now breathe into the nose and out to the nose. Now breathe in and breathe out. One more breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe in and breathe out. From here, twist. Ilagay yung kamay sa harapan. And then isa pa. And then pull. Stop. Okay, now this time, lift up to the sky. Bring it down in front of your heart. And then bend forward. So bend your knees. Now step back right and the left. Breathe in and breathe out. Downward facing dog. And now this time, lift your left leg up to the sky. Left leg naman, taas. As high as you can. According to your limits, breathe in. Breathe out. Now bring your left foot in front in between your both hands. Okay? Now from here, we walk by our hand, moving right naman. 2, 3, and 4. I-adjust na lang yung dalawang paa, nakatulong dito sa right side ninyo. Now, instead of moving forward, we move back. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down. Now, breathe in, and breathe out. Again, breathe in, and breathe out. Okay, move forward ulit. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, ilagay ulit yung dalawang kamay sa inyong hips and then lift up. Breathing in and then breathing out. And then, diretso yung pa ulit. 45 degrees sa likod. Warrior stand. Hip square. Arms on your side and then lift up to the sky. Up. Bring it out in front. Shoulder level. Now open your right arm all the way to the back. Now look back. And then look in front. Palm down. Lean forward. Now breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Now bend your right elbow and at the back, palm up and then reverse warrior. Reverse. Now breathe into the nose and out to the nose. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and then breathe out. And then back to warrior 2. Warrior 2. And then straighten front knee. And then we do triangle. Touching the floor. One arm straight up to the sky. Now look up. Try to straighten your front knee. And then the back knee. Now breathe into the nose. Look up. In and then breathe out. Again, breathe in and then breathe out. One more, breathe in and then breathe out. Now this time, bend the left knee, left elbow on the top of the knee, and then the bicep and the ears touch. Now breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Yeah. So breathe in and then breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. And now this time, ilagay yung kamay sa harapan. And then kaliwa. And then pull. Now breathe into the nose. And out to the nose. Now breathe in. And breathe out. And then lift up to the sky. And lean back and look up. Now bring it down in front of your heart. And now this time, bend forward. Now touching your left outside ankle with your right hand. And with the left up to the sky. And then look up. Yes. Breathe in. And then breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in. Breathe out. And then ibaba na yung kamay. And then dahan-dahan umakyat. And then once again, lift it up. Lean back and lift up. Bring it down in front of your heart. Then bend forward. Now this time, touch your right outside ankle with your left hand and then the right arm up into the sky. Taas, look up. Breathe in and then breathe out. Once again, breathe in and then breathe out. And then ibaba niyo yung kamay. And then dahan-dahan umakyat. Lift up, up, up. Now breathe into the nose and out to the nose. Breathe in. Breathe out. And once again, lift it up. Palm together. Bring it down in front of your heart. And then bend forward. Down and then reset. Okay, open your right leg. Bend your left knee. Flat. And then touch. And then lift. And then release. And then to the side. And then touch. And then release. Okay, now this time open the legs. As wide as you can. Okay. Now put your both hands in front. Okay? Back. Okay, now from here, now lift your right hand. Seems like you're begging for something. Kaya wala na akong bibigay. Okay? Ganyan lang, okay? Now from here, now ilagay niyo yung likod ng inyong palm dito sa gilid ng inyong cup. Yes, okay? Now, from there, the elbows should touch also sa floor. Okay, yan, okay? Sige, diretso lang ha? Okay. Pag nakadikit yung pati elbow ninyo sa floor, pwede nyo ilagay yung kamay sa ilalim ng inyong cup. Pag hindi nakadikit, huwag nyo ilagay. Okay, that's it. Kaya, yan. Kunti na lang. Sige po. Yun lang ang okay. Go. Ano? Kunti na lang. Go. Kaya. Ilagay sa ilalim ng cup. Yan yung kamay mo. Ganito. Lagay sa ilalim ng cup. Sa ilalim ng cup. Okay, now from there, lagay na sa ilalim. Okay? Tingnan mo, kaya. Kaya rin. And then taas yung kamay. Lagay sa batok. And then look up to the sky. Now breathe in. And breathe out. And then taas na. And then ibaba. Tanggalin na yung kamay. Okay? Tanggalin na. Okay. Dito ulit tayo. Naman natin sa kanila. Taso dito sa kaliwa. Sa side. And then again, ilapat ulit. Yun. Okay. Nakalapat na. Yes. And ilagay sa ilalim. Okay. Nasa ilalim na. Lagay dito sa ilalim mismo. Sa ilalim. And then taas ang kamay. Ilagay sa likod, sa batok. Then look up to the sky. Now breathe into the nose. And then breathe out. Again, breathe in. And then breathe out. Again, breathe in. And then breathe out. And then itaas na yung kamay. Now put it down. Tanggalin na yung kamay sa ilalim. And then dito sa harapan. Okay? Now this time, hawakan nyo. And then a little bit wider. Wider. Okay? Now. Yeah. Now, from here, now breathe into the nose and out to the nose. Now you bend from your hip. Now from here. Ganito, no? Now this time, bend your elbows flat on the mat. Okay, kailangan naka-bend yung elbows. Sige, kahit hindi nakalapat, kailangan mapili nyo na nababatang itong hamstring and then the groin. Sige, ganyan. Steady. Ate, gano'n. Yan, ba? Yes, steady. Steady lang. Steady. Just breathe into the nose and out the nose. And then breathe in. And then breathe out. Now breathe in. And then breathe out. You got it. And then release. Okay, and then close. Kaya pang isarado? Okay, close. Tira pa lang. Okay, now this time, lift up to the sky. And then open. And then release. And now this time, tabi ka dito ba? Tabi ka sa pagkatabi ka. Pag dinatingin Percy pala. Si Barb pala yung isa. No?
Si Barb sa isa.
Si ano yung... Tama.
Jersey, ma'am, eh, sir.
Ha?
Jersey.
Jersey o nga.
Si husband ang Percy.
Lang, ano tayo na? Tayo. Okay? Now, harapan. Need to leave. Kaligyan. Okay? So, on the top of the knee. Relax lang. Okay? Posture. Okay. Up. Breathe in to the nose. And out to the nose. Now, this is a common yoga. Now, this time, lift both arms all the way up. Now, this one, turn quarter to the right.
This is possible.
Now, bend your right elbow and stand at the back. And then, hawakan yung kamay sa likod. Nakita mo? Hawak. Okay, pag ganyan, and then lean back. And then habang hinahatak yung kamay niya at kamay mo. Pero dahan-dahan lang, ha? Pwede kasi medyo habang hinahatak. And then try to look on your right shoulder. Okay, ganyan. And then release. Release na. Isa. Left. And then lift up to the sky. Now turn quarter to the left. Bend your left elbow and at the back. Hawakan mo yung kamay. Kamay sa likod. Yung kamay niya makuhin. And then lean back habang hinahatak mo yung kanya. And then try to look on your left shoulder. Now breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. And then release. So dahan-dahan kang pagtatak ng stretch yung shoulder and then release na. So si Jersey. Hindi na ito. Dito ko muna part-time ko muna sa
Stretch.
ito harapan pa rin. Ngayon, susog na parte. Okay. Now, pagdikitin nyo yung inyong talapakan. Yan. Okay? Then, hawak kamay na. Hawak na mabuti. Okay, clap lang. Okay, clap. Now, again, this is couple yoga. Kailangan dito ng coordination. This is fun. And then flexibility dito. So, dahan-dahan lang iaangat yung paano nyo ito. Angat. Hindi, kaya yan. Yan. Okay. kabila. Dala kayo ha. Wala mo ng kilos. Now, just breathe in and breathe out. Okay. In. And breathe out. Again, in. And breathe out. And we got it. And then, baba. Baba. Dahan-dahan. Yes. Hey. Okay. Now, ganun ulit. Hawak ko yung kamay. Ayan, tatak na. Pagtigitin ulit na naman pa. Okay? Kanina, inalat nyo yung dalawang paa ninyo, magkadikit nasa loob siya. Ngayon, iangat nyo ulit siya, pero nasa labas din siya. Labas na. Okay? Ready? Huwag masyadong labas. Okay, ready? And then lift. Yan, sige, go. Go. Ayan. Kontrolin niyo.
Hindi siya ayusin. Hindi sinabi. Kailangan magpantay siya.
Kita mo kaya? Kontrol. Yung paan niya.
Ay, kabila ka.
Oh, magaling sila. Yan. Tatak. Kanina nakatas. Yan. Okay. Ano kayong dalawa? Isa na kayo. Yan. Okay. Okay na. Okay. Now, this time, dahan-dahan yung ibababa. Okay. Baba, dahan-dahan. Nakadikit pa rin. Sige, dahan-dahan. Yan. Okay. Patches. Yan. Okay? Now, diretso yung
Ay,
pan.
hindi, dahan-dahan.
Diretso.
Ibig.
Okay. Now, right now, lagay ninyo yung paa ninyo. Yan. Sige, lapit. Okay, yan. Now, this time, dahan-dahan yung ipupush yung paa ninyo. So, siyempre, mag-open yun. Okay? Now, ngayon, tatlong three things. Pag hindi na kaya ng partner ninyo, pwedeng magsalita siya ng tama na. O kaya, taray. At kung hindi pa kung yung pangatlo, kung hindi na makapagsalita, hihigpit yan, hahawakan kayo ng mga. Ready? Dahan-dahan lang, huwag bigla, ha? Baka mapunit, pag bigla. Dahan-dahan, ready? Go. Sige, push. Sige. Kasi, medyo flexible. Sige, tayo tayo. Medyo ka pa natin. Mahihirap siya makaka-extract ng because of your health. Okay? Okay, start na? Paano sabi? Maray na ba? Okay. Now, diretso yung kamay. Ganyan, diretso. Lapa. So, ngayon, dahan-dahan yung hakatakin siya. Hatak. Dahan-dahan lang, ha? Okay, ganun din siya. Ay, hatak. Diretso. Hindi, ikaw lang ang hatakin mo na. Ikaw lang muna kasi nasa iyo ang posisyon. Sige, hatak. Yan, okay. Yan. Sige, hatak. Ayaw na? Sige, go.
Sorry, Mami ko.
And release. Okay na, tapos na. Patayin ka daw.
Hindi ko lang po kaya.
Meron kang ginagawa. Sige. Okay, now. Oh, ano naman? Palit naman. Kayo naman ang gagawa. Oo. Nag-ano na. Sige lang yan. Hindi. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang, ha? Ma'am, ano kaya pa kayo ng konti? Bend kayo ng konti.
Sabihin mo kung oops.
Kasi remember, now hear this. Remember, abanti ka ng konti para makabend yung nakabend. Abanti ka ng konti. Para maipupus mo siya na gano'n. Dito lang kasi kayo makaka-stretch, pero kayo bubukan nyo ng gusto yung ano ninyo with the help of your partner. Kung kayo lang, yung ganyan lang siya, that's it. Ganun. Pero dito, with the help of your partner, then magagawa ninyo. Hanggat hindi siya umaaray o humihigpit na gano'n. Okay, ready? Dahan-dahan lang, hindi ko na kailangan bilis. Okay, go! Okay. Sige pa, kaya pa.
Kaya pa?
Explain mo sa akin.
Ganahan.
Ibig sabihin lang meron pa kami. Konti-konti.
Ano? Eh, ano ba? Nakabit pa yung aking ano. Hindi pa ako nakano. Nakabit pa yung naka-straight din sila.
Okay na. Okay na. Okay na yan. Todo na. Okay na. Hatak na. Hahatakin niyo. Hatak. Hatak. Konti lang. Konti. No, konti lang. Konti lang. Konti lang. Kailangan natin.
Ewan nila ba?
Yan lang.
Nakabit pa ako.
Yan.
Tignan mo kasi sila hindi na nakabit.
And then release. Okay. Hindi na may close. Okay?
Paano hindi kayo?
Okay, relax lang. Relax lang kayo. Na ganyan. Breathe in and then breathe out. So, yung anak couple yoga na ni-stretch tayo na ang gusto with the help of our partner. Dahan-dahan lang. Madali naman siya. Yun lang talaga ang mahirap yung nakasakot na gano'n. Kailangan lang, pagtaas ng dalawang paa ninyo, dapat yun ang ano nun, kailangan diretso. Medyo nakaganon pa kayo ng konti. So, ibig sabihin, matagal-tagal pa yung session na para ma-stress talaga. Pero darating at darating. Okay? Okay na. Balik na sa ano ninyo.
Nakabenta ko kasi. Nakabenta ko.